Good morning, all of you. I am Razia Pathan from Nanmanji Vidyapith, standard 4th. So, students, today we will start in a unit number 3rd, worksheet number 6. That is a division with the remainder. So, students, in all divisions questions we have to done so far. We saw that last subtractions always results in a zero. अब तक हम लोगों ने जो देखा है उसमें क्या होता है, सब्ट्रैक्शंस में जो रिजल्ट है वो ज़ीरो ही आता है, ठीक है, लास्ट में. हाउएवर दिस इज़ नॉट द केस एवरी टाइम. अभी हर बार ज़ीरो आए, दैट नॉट पॉसिबल ईच एंड एवरी टाइम. समटाइम देर आर द नंबर्स लेफ्ट ओवर. कई बार ऐसे भी हो सकता है वहाँ पे नंबर्स वो लेफ्ट भी रहे. देर आर द कॉल द रिमाइंडर्स. लेट्स सी दैट विथ एग्जाम्पल. नाउ लास्ट में हर बार अगर हम डिवीज़न करें और वहाँ पे ज़ीरो आए, दैट नॉट पॉसिबल. कई बार ऐसे भी होता है कुछ नंबर्स वहाँ पे रिमेन रहे, ठीक है, लेफ्ट ओवर देयर. सो वो जो नंबर्स हैं वो वहाँ पे बाकी लेफ्ट वहाँ पे होते हैं, ठीक है, लास्ट में, तो उसको हम बोलेंगे रिमाइंडर्स. सो लेट्स सी वन एग्जाम्पल एंड विल see reminder is there or not. A reminder tell us that divider cannot be completely divided by the divisor. रिमाइंडर हमें क्या शो करता है कि जो हम लोगों ने डिवाइड किया है, डिवाइडेड नंबर है, वो कंप्लीट नहीं है डिवाइड से, डिविजर से. हैंस इस कैन बी रिप्रेजेंट एज इक्वेशंस. उसको क्या बोलते हैं, रिप्रेजेंट हम किससे करेंगे, इक्वेशन से. नाउ solve the 169 divided by 4. So in that case, here is in this example 165 is a divided number, division number is a 4, quotient is 42 and the remainder is a 1. Let's see. Now 4 4s are 16. 16 minus 16 0 will bringing down here 9. 4 2s are 8. 9 minus 8 1 is there. So 1 is a remain here, we have to write here reminder. And then 42, quotient is the 42. So here we have to write divide is equal to 169, divisor 4, quotient 42, remainder 1. So divisors multiply by quotients plus remainder, 4 plus 42 plus 1. So answer should be 169. Hence the remainder is always less than the divisor. रिमाइंडर है वो डिविजर से स्मॉलर नंबर ही होगा, नॉट अ बिगर नंबर. गॉट इट एवरीवन? नाउ आई विल गिव यू हाफ एन मिनट्स यू हाउ टू रीड दिस एंड आफ्टर दैट वी विल स्टार्ट द न्यू सम्स. क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट, सॉल्व द फॉलोइंग एंड राइट द क्वेश्चंस, इक्वेशंस. You have to write this sum, students, in your maths notebook because already written in the worksheet number 6. Then we'll start questions. Next questions will start. Okay, students, I hope so your work is complete. Now we'll start. Solve the following and write the divisions equations. Okay, students, here we have to write standard 4th, subject maths, unit number 2, unit number 3, worksheet number 6. So first one sum, 231 divided by 6 is there. So here we have to write 231 divided by 6. Now we'll take here 2-digit number. 6 ones are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24. So students, 24 is a bigger number to 23. So here we have to write 6 3s are 80. 3 minus 8 is not possible. We'll cut 2, write here 1. Cut 3, write here 30. 13 minus 8. 13 on your finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Cut 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Remain numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. we have to write here 5. 1 minus 1 0. Will bringing down here 1. 6 9s are 54. 6 8s are 48. So here we have to write 6 8s are 48. Now 1 minus 8 is not possible. Cut 5, write here 4. Cut 1, write here 11. 11 minus 8, 11 on your finger. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Cut 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Remain number as 1 2 and 3. We have to write here 3. 3 minus 3 0. So here this one is a quotient and this is a remainder. Now students, here we have to write divide is equal to divisor multiply by quotient plus remainder is equal to, now divisor is equal to 6 multiply by 38 plus 3. 6 4s are 6 8s are 48. Write here 8. 4 is a carryover. 6 3s are 80. 80 plus 4 80, then 90 80 90 20 21 22. Write here 22. 22 plus 3. So here 8 plus 3 8, then 9 10 11. Write here 1. 1 is a carryover. 2 plus 1 3. 2 as it is. So answer is 231. Now students, I'll give you 1 minute. You have to complete your work. You have to write these sums in your maths notebook, because here is a no any place is that but place is so small, so you have to write these sums in your maths notebook. Okay students, I hope so work is complete. Now we'll start next sum. Now students, B1 sum 586 divided by 3. So in that we have to start the sum over here. 3 ones are 3. 5 minus 3 2. We have to bringing down here 8. Now 3 sevens are 27. 8 minus 7 1. 2 minus 2 0. Will bringing down here 6. 3 5s are 50. Write here 50. 6 minus 5 1. 1 minus 1 0. So here we have to write quotient, and here we have to write remainder. Here we have to write divide is equal to divisor multiply by quotient plus remainder is equal to 3 multiplied by 176 plus 1. So answer is 3 6 are 80. Write 8. 1 is a carryover. 3 7s are 21 plus 2 or 28 plus 1 29. 3 5s are 50. Write here 5. 1 is a carryover. 3 7s are 21. 21 plus 2 22. Write here 2. 1 is a carryover. 3 3s are 1. 1 plus 27. 27 plus 1 28. Write here 1. 3 3s are 1. 1 plus 3 1s are 3. 3 plus 1. Write it here 2. 3 1s are 3. 3 plus 2 5. So 585 plus 1. So your answer is 586. Now students, I'll give you one minute so you have to complete this sum. I hope so students your work is complete. Now we'll start next sum. Now students, start C1 sum. 672 divided by 9. So here we'll start the sum. 672 divided by 9. 9 5s are 45. 9 6s are 54. 9 7s are. Now students, we'll start. Now sum number C, 672 divided by 9. So in that students will start with the 2-digit number. So 63, 7 and 9, 9 7, 9 8 are 72, 9 6 are 9 7s are 63. 9 7s are 63. 7 minus 3 4. 6 minus 6 0. Will bringing down here 2. 9 5s are 45. So we have to start with the 9 4s are 36. 2 minus 6 not possible. Cut 4. Write here 3. Cut 2. Write here 12. 12 minus 6. 12 on your finger. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Cut 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So remaining numbers are 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. We have to write here 6. 3 minus 3 0. So students, here we have to write here divide is equal to divisor is equal to quotient plus remainder. Here we have to write remainder and here we have to write quotient. So students, divisor is a 9. Sorry, here we have to write 9 multiply by 74 plus 6. 9 4s are 36. Right here 6 3 is a carry over. 9 6 are 63. 63 plus 3, 63, then 64, 65, 66. Right here 66, 66 plus 6, 6 plus 6, 12. Right here 2, 1 is a carry over. 6 plus 1, 7. Right here 6. So answer is 672. Now students, I'll give you 1 minute. You have to write these sums in your maths notebook. Okay students, I hope so work is complete. Now we'll start next sum, D1 sum. So in that sum, 407 divided by 4. So we have to start this sum. 407 divided by 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 minus 4, 0. Will bringing down here 0. Division is not possible. Put here 0, bringing down 7. 4 ones are 4. So 7 minus 4, 7 on your finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Cut 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remain number are 1, 2 and 3. We have to write here 3. So students, this one is a quotient. Here is a remainder. Here we have to write divide is equal to divisor, quotient plus remainder. So students, here we have to write 4 multiplied by 104 plus 3, 101 plus 3. So here we have to write 404 plus 3 is equal to 407. Now students, I'll give you 1 minute. You have to write this in your maths notebook. Okay students, I hope your work is complete. Now students, your homework is you have to complete the worksheet number 6, and that worksheet you have to send it to me before 3 o'clock in a WhatsApp, before 1:30 in a WhatsApp group. I hope so students, your work is complete. You have to complete your homework and send it to me before 1:30 in a WhatsApp group. I hope so students, your work is complete. Bye everyone, have a nice day.